Prep these oats ahead of time for quick grab-and-go breakfasts and nutritious snacks. The basic ingredients are equal parts oats, yogurt, milk, and fruit. The yogurt and milk can be non-dairy, and that's all you need. However, you can also add a tablespoon of chia seeds or flax seeds for your healthy fats, vanilla or cinnamon for flavor, honey if desired, and a pinch of salt, not for saltiness, but to intensify the other flavors. You can simply mix this up in a bowl, stir, and place it into a large jar or divide it into individual serving containers and refrigerate 4 hours or overnight. For a creamier version, use a food processor or blender. This is a ½ cup each of yogurt, milk, and oats, and then I'm adding the vanilla, salt, chia seeds, along with a ½ cup of fruit, starting on low speed and moving to high. This one has the basic ingredients plus blueberries and blackberries. And this one has a tablespoon of almond butter for extra protein, blackberries, a ½ teaspoon cinnamon, and honey, for a creamy, delicious treat. For less cleanup, all of your ingredients can be mixed up right in the jar. Stir, cover, and refrigerate. Add fresh peaches to the blender and top with granola for a cool summer treat. Or top a basic version with bananas and mini dark chocolate chips for a great afternoon snack. Please share with us your favorite version in the comments below, and be sure to check out my breakfast playlist for super nutritious make-ahead gluten-free breakfasts like waffles, granola, and cookies for breakfast. And when you have more time, try my healthy pancakes, sausage cheese muffins, or Dutch baby pancake. Thanks for watching, and please hit the cupcake to subscribe.